Day 30, of week 2, of wave 2 of coronavirus in Canada, and you thought we were going to like sort of lower the number a bit, and I was wrong. So yesterday the number was 827, and today it's 834. Okay. Reports are showing that 299 is from Toronto, 186 is from Peel Region, 121 from York Region, and so Peel Region and York Region numbers are sort of getting similar again. And so 76 from Ottawa and 26 from Durham Region. All other public health units in Ontario reported 25 new cases, so we're back to under 25. And 5 new deaths have been reported, so that's one higher from yesterday when we had 4 deaths. Because we kept on having 8 deaths, 9 deaths, 10 deaths. And it kept on like sort of staying at 9 deaths until it went down. Females are still in the lead, and age group 20 to 59 are still at the highest risk. And it seems that, people 19 and under, so the minors are getting affected more than seniors, so yeah, they're second last this time. Well, that's interesting. So we have the number of people hospitalized is still at 312. 71 patients are in the ICU, and 51 and of them are on a ventilator, and all hospitalizations have all been steady, but have increased. Let's look at schools first. Mamma mia. It's getting worse. So I don't really understand why people are really caring about how the school students and staff are in school, go to school or work at school, so I'm not happy about this. So this is from 595 schools out of the entire Ontario province, and so now the number of total number of cases affected by students affected in Ontario is now 2,001. 1,103 is from students. 274 is from staff. 624 is from the people we don't know who they are. It says that no schools are currently closed, but then why did 3 days ago they said the schools are open or closed? So there are currently no schools are closed again now, so I guess they fixed it up or something, or I don't know, but I'm still having suspicions that this is my incorrectly reported, and especially at school in Pembroke, and the other one in Toronto. Yeah, that was the one in Toronto was the one in second. The second. Except the Toronto has so many schools we don't know which one it is. Okay. Long-term care homes though. So now it's at 1934 deaths of long-term of people at long-term care homes, and the number of staff who work there, you know, healthcare and others, yeah, the number is still unchanged for months at 8. Okay, I got something new to report. Oh. I'll look at Moncton, New Brunswick. So they are like Moncton, New Brunswick is canceling their stationary 2020 Santa Claus parade due to coronavirus concerns, and so. So, like, the 54th edition of the parade was the first planned as a drive-through parade, where the floats are stationaries and visitors are the ones like moving. So you know how that works, right? So you like there's like you'd be basically just like walking by and then nice. So the Royal Greater Moncton Santa Claus Parade organization said in the end it cannot allay concerns for the volunteers who be on the floats, and so it went back to the orange phase, but now it's a. So yeah, New Brunswick is a. So the new parade was supposed to take. Was supposed to be arranged at November 21st at the Moncton Coliseum parking lot. The theme was supposed to be a North Pole bubble party, and it's. Alex Morton said, yeah. However, like, you know, it's coronavirus is affecting many of us, so yeah. No. He said it's disappointing, but we must all do our part to keep our community safe and stop the spread of coronavirus, and yeah. So they're planning next year's event, which is like the. So Moncton, New Brunswick, yeah, they're hoping, yeah, the coronavirus is not going to cancel that one either, cause And back to my rankings of cases in Canada. So how are things holding up? So Quebec is getting worse, worse, and worse. And it's still at 101,885. Ontario is number 2. It's getting closer to 100,000, but yeah. Ontario is currently at 74,867. Alberta, 26,155. British Columbia, 13,588. Manitoba, 4,532. Saskatchewan, 2,841. Nova Scotia, 1,102. New Brunswick, 334. Newfoundland and Labrador, 291. Prince Edward Island, 60. I think it's still at 64. Wow. And Yukon Territories is 22. Northwest Territories is still at 9. And yeah, and Nunavut, no data as usual, because yeah, they're the safest place to provinces or territory in Canada. So, looking at that information, follow coronavirus safety rules. Avoid meeting up with people for now. Keep important meetings up for up to 10. Zoom chat or Google Meet as an alternative. Don't do any activities with other people. Only go on essential travel. Keep your health and search priority. Avoid doing trick-or-treating in high-risk areas and stay out of areas where coronavirus cases can be high, and you technically know where they are. You can look it up before you travel. Stay safe, folks.